Yay for Kristi. Yay for Kristi. Nessa Sunshine here, and today I'm getting into the Rawbeautykristi times Colourpop palette and parts of the collection. So I'll go ahead and show you how I get this eye look and kind of give you some swatches of the Super Shock shadows, the liners, a quick swatch on my hand of the two glosses, and let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. I actually have Wildflower on my lips, which is the Luxe lip gloss, and it's in the collection. It's super pretty. I love both of the lip glosses. We'll take a look close to them toward the end of the video, but I'm going to get started on the eye look. So all I have, I believe, is just, I think, some NARS mixed with some Huda Beauty cream, not cream, but concealer. The first shadow I'm going to get into is Puffball, and I'll be using the BH Cosmetics No. 8 blending brush from their new holiday brush set. I'm taking the tip of the blending brush and moving it in this outer corner, moving it in toward the center of the crease of my eye in sort of circular motions, and then I move to swiper motions. There are so many beautiful colors in this palette, and I feel like the pigmentation is fantastic. The shimmers, the Super Shock shadows, the cream gel liners, everything in this collection is excellent. Claps for Kristi. I love the style. I love woodsy anything too. So I love forest, I love woods, and yeah, it makes sense because of where she lives. Now I'm taking a blending brush that doesn't have anything, and I'm blending out in swiper motions and trying to diffuse the shade up. I'm also taking this under the eye just a little bit, not too much, just a little tiny bit under the eye, and then I'm getting into the next shade. The next shade I'll be using is Amanita, and I'm going to be using a BH No. 10 blending brush from their holiday collection as well. With the tip of this blending brush and the corner of my eye, I'm moving in circular motions, and I'm going to use the tip and edge of the brush, hold it like a pencil toward my face, and then I'm going to bring it into the crease as well, and then blend it out a little bit. Just going to check my other eye. I don't think I brought it up as much. I'm going to take this clean, it's a basic blending brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to blend that, just the edge, blend in the edges. And then I'm also going to take this BH flat brush into the same color. This was from the NARS as well as the one that I've been using. This is from the NARS times BH Cosmetics, and I really, really like this flat brush a lot. I'm swiping it onto the lower lash line and up, and then I think I'm going to probably take my blending brush that I was originally using and then take the tip and sort of wing out. And now it's shimmer shimmer time. It's shimmer shimmer time, and I'm going to get into the shadow West Coast, and I'll be using a pencil brush from the BH Holiday brush set. I'm swiping the most beautiful yellow gold shade. I love this so much, and I'm just swiping it along the inner mid part of the eyelid while looking down, and then I'm going to start to bring it in to the inner corner a little bit, bring it up above the crease a little bit, and I'm just doing short swiper motions. And now I think I'm going to go into the Super Shock shadow. So let's take a look at the Super Shock shadows. The Super Shock shadows are gorgeous in this collection. Mycelium, then Campfire, Olympic, and Like a Moss. So I have those swatched on my arm in that order, and today I'm going to be using Mycelium. So I'm taking the same brush, I've sort of wiped it off from the pretty purpley red shade, and from there I'm going to start to bring it in my inner corner. I'm going to take more. I love Colourpop Super Shock shadows, and we know Kristi does too. And the liners. This collection is full of products that I absolutely love from Colourpop. The shadows, the liners, the Super Shock shadows, and the lip glosses are so, so pretty. And we know that Kristi loves a glossy lip, so I love the colors too that she shows. I'm getting ahead of myself, so let's keep going on to the eye look. So I'm just taking a little bit more of the Super Shock shadow in this inner corner of mine, and I am kind of brushing it up and out and curving it above the crease in my personal eyelid. Before I plop on my lashes today, which are the Miami Flare from Lilly Lashes, I am going to use the liner. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the liners. There are 3 cream gel liners in this collection, a brown, a yellow, and a green. And the brown is called Woodsy, The yellow is Marigold. The name for the green on my particular pencil is wiped off, so I'm not sure. So I'm not using all the liners today, but you did get to see some swatches. So the liner I am going to use is Woodsy and Marigold. So Woodsy is going into the inner corner. And then I'm going to take Marigold and I'm going to kind of bring it on to the actual like skin and also inside. Ooh, I'm going to take a little bit more of Amanita and kind of swiping it forward. And yes, you can even do this without shimmer. You can do this with the yellow in the palette. I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna pop on my lash and then I guess we'll wrap up this video. Lastly, there are two glossy lips in this collection. The lighter color is called Glacier and then the more pink color is called Wildflower, and I have Wildflower on my lips today. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, just really quick of the eye look and seeing this collection. Kristi did an amazing job. The different colors are just so rich and gorgeous. The Super Shock shadows are incredible, always. The Super Shock shadows. We love Super Shock shadows here and they are gorgeous. I love them. The glosses are really, really pretty. Really pretty to top too if you want to like put on top of anything. And the liners are so creamy. I love it. I love all these different products from Colourpop and the fact that Kristi like put this together. So pretty. I love the theme and the feel of it, and it's very foresty, very fall, very earthy, and I love it. So yay, I would clap really loud, but that would just probably hurt your ears, but yay for Kristi. Yay for Kristi, and yay for Colourpop for collaborating with someone so amazing. I believe in the last collab I let you guys know, if you don't know already, that Kristi is one of my favorite YouTubers. She's really inspiring. I really connect with her a lot and I'm so happy for her, and this is definitely a collection that I have been waiting for, I have been anticipating, and I think you guys probably have anticipated this as well. Major congratulations to Kristi for everything wonderful that's happened to her this year and this collection as well. This is beautiful. Let me know down below what part of this collection stood out to you, and I will see you guys next time. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, bye now.